Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well. Since we all know that pakoras are the most important item in iftar, so I have decided to give it a twist and make it into a new dish. Today I'll be teaching you how to make donut pakoras. But before starting, I want you all to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. We are going to start by adding half medium onion, 1 cup chana dal which has been soaked for 7 to 8 hours into a blender and blend it into a thick paste. Periodically add water as required. I have added around 3 to 4 tablespoons. Keep mixing and blending until a thick paste is formed. Transfer the prepared batter into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 3.5 teaspoons of rice flour, 3 tablespoons of green chili, half teaspoon of salt or according to your taste. Mix it well. Then add half medium chopped onions. Mix it again. Next add 1 small bunch of coriander leaves. Make sure that the leaves are not wet. Mix it again and let it rest for 10 minutes. In a pan, add oil enough for deep frying. Grease your hands with oil. Take a small portion of batter and make it into a smooth ball. If you find it hard making a ball, add some more rice flour. Flatten this ball and give it a good circle shape. Make a small hole in between. Add the prepared donut into hot oil. Fry the donuts on medium-high flame until they are brown in color. Once it's done, keep it in a steel strainer so that the excess oil is removed and it stays crispy. how it turned out in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please like this video and share it with your families and friends. For more such recipes, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Assalamu alaikum.